You're on Where to Stay Around the World, and tonight we are in Paris. We had a surprise night here. Our train plans changed, and we ended up having to spend a night at Gare du Nord. This monumental station is the home of the Eurostar heading to England. But there is also a metro station right here next to the train station, and that makes this a really accessible part of the city. We're staying at a hotel literally across the street from the station that boasts its own train theme. It's an elegant take with some fun iterations that never gets kitschy, whether it's the train view out the windows behind the reception desk or the tiny train that runs above the lobby. There's even an actual monitor in the lobby showing the latest trains at the station across the street. The lobby serves as a waiting area if your room isn't ready upon arrival. It also has a full bar as well as a restaurant in the mornings. Coffee and tea through the machine are available all day along with water, and the rest of the beverages and foods are on an honor bar system. Elevators will take you to the rooms above. You will need your room key in order to push the button for your floor. The spiral stairs aren't steep and are easy to use if you don't have a lot of luggage. Each of the rooms is decorated like luggage, another nod to the old world train theme. We are in room 201. It is one of the smaller double rooms, and you will find that it is cozy, not cramped, and it is cute without being kitschy. You swipe your card right here, and that's an electronic opening. And when you open, you come into your own little train cabin. Considering this hotel is right next to the Gare du Nord, it is completely appropriately styled. Really makes you feel like you are on your train journey, even though you're sitting here on land, not moving at all. The train theme in this hotel is definitely carried out through this room. So you come in and it's everything from the old luggage to the locker system, and even your bed is in what looks like a train cabin. So kind of fun, and it's got some really cute little amenities as well. So your telephone is super old school, but it functions easily, and you simply need to dial 9 to get the front desk. But you've also got a very true to train time reading light that you can push and pull in and out. Your room lights are all accessible right from your bedside. There is a European plug, and one side of the bed does have a USB-A port. These decorative items are also really functional. Of course, there's the big screen TV, but you also have a small trunk mounted to the wall that acts as a shelf, and wouldn't you know it, just like the real luggage of the old days, those leather handles tend to fall off. The ottoman acts as a stool, and then this is a pull-down desk, complete with travel stickers and a reusable bottle of water. You aren't charged for the water unless you take the bottle with you, in which case they'll charge for that. So that's pretty clever. I love that. With plugs right there and ports. So really great. Just like in a Pullman cabin. Our room does have a window. We overlook sort of an atrium area, but it's nice to have fresh light and fresh air. There's a hook on the wall, which is great for jackets. And then, of course, you have your armoires that have motion-activated lighting inside. There's a safe on the bottom, and you've got hangers. These are those permanent hangers. They don't come off the rack, but I really love this. The whole thing comes out. So if you've hung up your clothing, you don't have to reach to the back. Easy access. And on this side, you have a coffee tea maker and open shelving. There's not a refrigerator in the room, but if you have medication or items that need to be refrigerated, just ask at the front desk and they'll take care of that for you. There is a full-length mirror behind the door. And on the wall, you do need to put your key card in or some kind of a card in order to make the electricity work in the room. These are your room lights right here, but they are also usable from the bedside. And then you've got your thermostat right here. Another space-saving true-to-train cabin life feature is the pocket door to the bathroom. And what would a train-inspired bathroom be without subway tile? But we've never seen a train bathroom with this kind of luxury. With dual rainfall shower heads and dual hand wands, a heated towel rack above the commode, a large vanity sink, a magnifying mirror as well as your full mirror, with amenities including a blow dryer, hand soap, and hand lotion. In the shower, you will get your shampoo and your bathing gel. There is no conditioner. But there is plenty of hot water and the water pressure is exceptionally good. This is one of the best showers we've ever taken. For easy access to the rest of the city, as well as the train station and the metro station, this hotel, located directly across the street from Gare du Nord, is a can't-miss option. It's cozy and comfortable without being kitschy and makes a stay overnight or longer a perfect way to spend a day.